Hello, collectives. For those of you who chose pile number two or card number two, this is your reading and this is your advice from the universe. So let's reveal the card that we have for you. So we have the card of Two of Swords. Okay. So, Two of Swords, I already feel you are stuck onto something and you have to make that decision. You have to take the next step forward. But you're just like, you know what, I'll just wait until it resolves on its own, or, I'll just let the universe handle it, take care of it. I'll just, wait and watch. Well, no, you can't do that. You know why? Because you have outgrown yourself. You have changed. Okay? You no longer can tolerate things that you have tolerated before. You cannot shrink yourself just to make the other person comfortable at the cost of your own health, at the cost of your own happiness. Do you think it's nice to put yourself last or to, be the same version that you were before? Just because you have a fear that you will lose the people you love. No. Maybe the people you like or maybe the people that you love, they may be not, seeing this angle of yours or this perspective of yours where, where they feel that, oh, I liked her before, but now she has changed. Well, it may take time to accept it, but the right people who really, 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 truly believe in your friendship, believe in your love, they will accept you. It may take time, but they will. And the decision that is pending, you know what decision needs to be made. I want you to make that decision. I don't want you to fear anything. I want you to be fearless and brave and make that decision, make that choice, even if it's uncomfortable. But I want you to move ahead. I want you to have clarity and not live in confusion. Okay? So, that is what is the message for you from the universe and the advice from the universe. And I really hope you come out of it. And I really, really wish that you come out of it and be yourself, your authentic self, your original self, and not care about what people will think or what people will say. Okay? I want you to believe in yourself. Take care. I know you will do it. And all the best to you. Thank you.